ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Let's speak in English. So friends, in this video I am going to talk about why English is very important in our life. What's the reason that English has become very important in this era. So let's discuss point wise. So first of all, point number one, as we all know that English is the language of communication. That means English is being spoken all over the world. Although remember that English is being spoken in 52 countries. I mean to say that English is the official language of 52 countries. So always remember this fact. If you don't know speak English, if you don't know how to speak in English, and if you go in a place where English is the main English language, and if somebody speaks with me in English language, if somebody speaks with me in English language, and if I am not able to speak English, then how can we survive on that place? So imagine how it will be important of speaking English on that place. So this is the reason that English is very important. Now second point, as we know that English is the survival language. Okay, suppose in a place where you cannot speak in English, but you can speak English only a little bit, so that you can access your things, okay, so that you can express your thought in a very simple manner, so that anybody can understand what are you saying. Suppose you want to ask anyone in English language, suppose you don't know how to say that bring a glass of water, okay, this is a very full sentence and you are not able to say that how to say this sentence correctly and full sentence. But if you say only one word, that water, then anybody can understand that you are demanding water or you are asking for water, then anybody can provide you water. Now third point is English is very important for access on the internet. Okay, English is very important for access on internet. As we all know that in internet everything available in English language. Okay, so if we know how to speak in English, and if you can understand the English, and if you are surfing on internet, and if you are doing work with the help of internet, then you can easy access, or you can do your work. Discuss the point number 4. Point number 4 is English makes you smarter. Okay, English makes you smarter. Suppose if you speak English, then your value will be doubled, okay, when you speak in English. Okay, because people that can speak in English, everybody likes that person very much rather than another person. Okay, so the value of English speaking person will be increased if any person can speak in English. Okay, so now point number, makes everyone easier to travel. Okay, if anyone know English language, and if he is traveling from one place to another place, and if he can speak English very clearly and very fluently, then it is very easy for that person to travel here and there. Because the next point is why English is very important. As we all know that in everything, okay, particularly the things that are sold on the shops, all are their description, or the description of that product is written in English language, that how to use that product, or where have to keep that product